how to learn vocabulary with examples. If you do this regularly, you will never forget that word. You will say, don't try to be a couch potato, go and do some work. Daredevil means the person who always try to do well. And next word, easygoing. And next word is big-headed. If you make some more sentences on these words, you will never forget to this word. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about some vocabulary, how to learn vocabulary with examples. So if you want to learn some words, any word, just try to make some new sentences on that word, with that word. Because if you learn that word without making any sentence, you will forget easily. You will never be able to use that word again and again. So if you really want to learn any word in a single day, then try to make some new sentences with that specific word. If you do this regularly, then you will never forget that word. And after making that word, after making some sentences with that particular word, just try to speak that word with any sentences and with different sentences, then you will never forget that word anymore. So whenever you try to learn any vocab, any word, always try to make some different sentence with that particular word and just try to speak that word with any sentence. So this is a very unique and this is a very easy and very good way to enhance your vocabulary. So we are learner and we need to learn some vocabs daily. So if you heard some words, new words, and you feel like this is a very interesting word, then note down in your copy, notebook, and try to make some sentences with that word. And try to repeat that word again and again with any sentence. Without any sentence, you will not repeat that. Like today, if you got a single word, like if you got a word grab, so okay, find that meaning. Search on Google and find that meaning. What is the meaning of this word? What does this word say? So after searching the meaning of this word, then try to make more sentences on that word. Write down in your notebook, and after making sentences, try to speak them out. If you do this regularly, you will never forget that word grab. What is that meaning, and how to use that word, and when we can use that word. So always do like this. And so today I'm going to give you some unique collection of words. We can use them in a different way, in a different mood. So these are very interesting to learn. So I'm going to give you some new vocabs with new phrases. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the word is the first word is couch potato. So what is this meaning? So couch means like sofa, we can lay on that. So couch potato means that person, a person who does not want to do anything, a lazy person. We can say a lazy person that don't want to do anything in their life. So we can say just stand up, don't be like a couch potato, go and do some exercise. We can use like this. And don't try to be couch potato, go and do study. So we can use this word in this way. So couch potato is like a lazy person who don't want to do anything, who don't want to move their body and their body parts, and they always want to watch TV and they always want to use mobile. So that person is like a couch potato, lazy person. So next time whenever you see that person, that kind of person, you will say, don't try to be a couch potato, go and do some work. Okay, so this is a very useful and very unique word. So you will also use that. And next word is early bird. Early bird is like the person who arrives early in the morning. Like my mom and my mom-in-law, my mother-in-law always arrive early in the morning, around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So we can say my mom and my mother-in-law are early birds. So when your mom arise early in the morning, then you can say my mom is early bird. So this is a very smart way to describe any person, describe anybody's personality. And next word is night owl. Night owl, you will get any idea with night and owl. Owl who never sleep in night. Owl sleep in days time, who never sleep in night time. And night like darkness. So a person who stay in night, who stay at midnight till midnight, and the person who don't want to sleep early, the person who like to stay in night, and they want to use their mobile, and they want to watch TV at night. So we can say night owl. My husband and my children are night owl. So you can describe any one personality like this. And next word is affable. The person who love to talk with others, the person who is very friendly. And like me, I am a very affable person. I love to talk with anybody. I love to talk with any person, because like a talkative person, a social person who want to talk with anybody, who want to talk with anyone, where, anybody. So you can say I'm a very affable person. So you can use it, use like this. If you see any person who always try to talk with anybody, so you can say he and she is a affable person. And next word is hot-headed. Hot-headed means, hot means very warm, like very hot. Hot-headed means a very angry person. Angry means the person who gets angry easily. Like if your father get anger easily, and they always try to anger on you, so you can say my father is hot-headed. My father is hot-headed. If I talk about me, I also a hot-headed person. I get easily angry. So I am a hot-headed person. And next word is daredevil. Daredevil means the person who always try to do very dangerous things. Like my both children are daredevils. They always do risky things. Like they always play with matchbox. They always play with the very dangerous things. So they are very daredevils. So you can describe like this any person. So these are very unique words, you know. So you whenever you will describe, whenever you are going to describe anyone, describe like this. Use a very simple, very useful phrases or a very unique word by which you can describe anybody easily, and it's look very good and very smart way to use describe anybody. And next word, easygoing. Easygoing means like if you have a teacher who is very relaxed and calm, he and she don't get angry, and if you are going to talk with that person, he will talk politely and calmly, then you will say he's very easygoing person. So if I talk about my mom is very easygoing person, very calm person. So you use like this word. So very calm and very peaceful person, you can say very easygoing person. So my mom is a very easygoing person. And next word is modest. Modest, a person who does not show off their things, and who does not show attitude, who does not show the power of money, who don't means the person who never show off. So if I say about my husband is modest. He never show off. about anything. My husband is modest. My husband is very modest person. So you can use this, like the person who never show off about anything, about their home, about their facilities, about their money, about their dresses, who never show off about anything, then you can say that person is very modest. So these phrases and these words are very unique to use, and they are very sound good when you use it. And next word is thick-skinned. Thick-skinned, thick skin, moti chamdi. The person who does not get upset easily, who does not get think about others. Like if someone say rudely about that person, he will not get angry, he will not get upset. Then we can say that person is very thick skin. Like most of the mothers says their children, like my son and daughter is very thick skinned. I all time say lots of things about their study, about their career, but they don't understand. So they are very thick skinned. So you can use this word like this. And next word is nosy. Nosy means a person who always try to listen others talk, and the person who is very curious to know about others' life, what is going on in others' lives. So that person is called nosy. And we can say like that auntie is very nosy. So you can try to make sentence like this. And next thing, troublemaker. Troublemaker is like a person who is cause for others problem, who is cause for others problem. Like if I talk about my childhood, I always be like a troublemaker for my parents. I always do something wrong in my childhood. So I could say I used to be a troublemaker for my parents. So this is a very common word. And next word is big-headed. Big-headed means like arrogant. The person who has full of ego, full of arrogant. Then you can say that person is very big-headed. He always try to show off. He always try to insult other. So you can say like that person is very big-headed. So yeah, you can use these words in your daily conversation, and try to use with your siblings, with your parents, so you will never forget this word. If you make some more sentences on these words, you will never forget to this word. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you really want to learn any vocab, any single word, then try to make some more sentences on that word. So and try to speak that word with any sentence, so you will never forget any word. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you really like this video, if you feel like this video is very helpful to you, then please give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in next one. Till then, bye bye.